Hey, what's going on, my friend? Justin Temple here with a quick video on Epic Slim Review 2025 and why you want to get started with Team Temple. We've actually got Terry right here on the webinar. She just got started with Epic Slim. Hey, what's up, Terry? You want to wave?
Hey, how you doing?
Hey!
Hi, everybody. Hi, Justin.
So Terry's member 2 now. So I'm actually going to put Terry's link in this video. So if you're watching this video, go ahead and join Terry, all right? Go ahead and join Terry. It's going to be the second link down below. And I help my team, I help my downline in MLM programs. And so you're going to see Terry's link down below is the third link. It's going to have Sean, then we'll have Terry, and we might have some extra links down there. So join Terry. I just want to let you guys know that Epic Slim is a new MLM program, and I am actually a top 6 MLM recruiter in one of the other programs that's out right now. And we're going to be dominating Epic Slim. I'm going to be making more videos than everyone else. I'm going to be ranking my videos higher than everyone else, and I'm going to be putting your link in my videos, and I'm actually going to be doing a rotator link with traffic and solo ads for your guys' links on my team. So you're going to want to work with Team Temple. You're going to want to get started with Terry right here. Okay, Terry Pleer. What's up, Terry? All right.
How you doing?
So, anyways, where are you from, Terry?
Cincinnati, Ohio.
Cincinnati, Ohio. Shout out to Cincinnati. All right, everyone, we're just going to end this video real quick, but go ahead and join Terry down below, and let's get you building in Epic Slim. I'm going to help you get your 2, help you get your 5, and help your 5 get their 5. I actually coach people every day on building their network marketing business. I do live coaching, and we're going to go live every day ranking videos in Team Temple. So Team Temple is the #1 dominating search engine, YouTube, and just overall are like massive. No one else is going to join anyone else other than Team Temple. We're going to be the only videos, the only content, the only dominating team that you're going to be able to find on YouTube. So get started right now. Get started with Terry, and we'll see you on the inside, okay? So thank you so much. I'm going to help you get your 2, help you get your 5, help your 5 get their 5, and help everyone in our downline. I'm going to coach you every day, coach your downline, and coach their downlines as well. Get started right now. We'll see you on the inside of Epic Slim. Have a wonderful day. Get started with Terry down below. It'll be link 3. Link 3. My link, Sean's link, Terry's link. Get started with link 3. Thank you so much. I'll see you on the inside. And call Terry when you join. Say, hey, welcome. Or, welcome. Say, hi. And hopefully she says welcome. Right?
That's right. That's right. Welcome.
All right. Later, guys. Click the link down below. Link 3.